Welcome to another video, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday, the 5th of July 2025, 10 to 8 in the morning. Car's having an MOT. I'm going to take you guys around Tunstall Park, Victoria Park. Come on with us. Well, firstly, the apple blossoms are well gone, but still looking absolutely beautiful. Very, very peaceful with not many people in. There is actually a homeless guy up on the seat there, so he's been here all night. I've not heard any more about the boathouse becoming open as a cafe, I believe. Again, I still can't think what Mum tells me about where Mum and Dad come out on boats on the lake here in Tunstall. Imagine if we could turn back time now and just go back to that. Everyone out on the boats enjoying themselves. Bring it back. There is the boathouse, looking pretty grand. I'm guessing, and let me know in the comments, this is probably where you boarded the boats down on these steps. And obviously, yeah, they were kept probably in the boathouse over there, but this is where, I'm guessing, all them years ago, is where you would jump on your boat and paddle off. If you're into photography, you can get some absolutely stunning views and good photo opportunities. It really is a beautiful park. Look at that for a cracking photo. Wow. Hope you guys enjoyed the first podcast that we did last night, and I think it's going to be a success, and hopefully many more. Looking down at the little lake and the bandstand right behind. I mean, again, go back to all them years ago. How cool would that be, sitting on all those seats, listening to a band? What has happened to where we are right now? So I'm guessing that would have been going on in the 50s, the 60s or something like that. Question is, was 1950s, 60s better than 2025? Let me know in the comments. Almost see a face, or is it me, in that tree? It's quite a breezy morning again. Always seems to be windy lately. Always love a walk through the tunnel here. And this would be a great place to fly the DJI Neo. Zoom it through there. Look pretty awesome. I was going to bring the Neo with me and have a little fly around this morning, but would have been impossible to do with the wind again today. Toilets are all locked up for the night though. Wonder what time they open those up. The bowling green has lost all its glory. They have pulled down that really old building. I'd love to see some photos of this fountain working. Drop me some comments if you've got some photos of the fountain working there here in Tunstall Park. Loving that 100 years of Stoke-on-Trent. And we've now reached the beautiful clock tower. And of course the main entrance to the park right up there. Then I'm not just having an MOT on the car, I'm having a service as well, so need to do a little walkabout. I reckon come and join me as we head into Tunstall. But just before we do, a last look at this stunning park. The gate in memory of Thomas Peake by his children, AD 1904. Floreat and Tunstall. The Robbie Williams sign right there. Victoria Park Road. And the amazing church there. Right the way down King Williamson Street. Shot of the Greenway there. And we're looking there at the what's known now as the Production House. Museum it says there, not too sure what that's all about. Never knew that then. So Foresters Friendly Society Heritage Museum. Look at the old sign, Tunstall Assurance Society. God, what an eyesore this building is. Whoever designed that. Okay, I've never ever been in Tunstall Memorial Gardens. Come on with me. Councillor and Mrs. George H. Barber of Tunstall. So dedicated to the victory in the First and Second World War, Allied services and civilians who took part and gave their lives in the pursuit of freedom. Gardens provide a quiet contemplation and remembrance. Please treat the gardens with respect. You know what? I never knew it was actually this big. It looks as though there's a bit in disrepair up here, but let's have a walk around. Don't know what this building would have been. Let me know in the comments. It looks as though it needs a bit of love now. Looks like there's been quite a lot of fires here in the corners. Yeah, I didn't realise how big this park actually was. You can actually smell the burn. Wow, look at this. Clock tower, cars, Matalan, Tunstall, Spitfires. Well, I'm impressed. Never been here before. Really nice. Apart from the building over there. To the glorious memory of the men of Tunstall who gave their lives during the Great War, 1914 to 1918. Look at all the names that we have here. In the corner there is the Tunstall Baths. And right ahead, Tunstall Market. In the old sign there. Wow. And then let's head down into Tunstall Town. There we go, looking back at the baths and the Memorial Gardens. Now this phone box, I don't know if it still works. No glass in it at all, no. Wind is really blowing this morning. Come on, Tunstall. What's all this about? Look at all the rubbish about this morning. Then again, it has been a windy night. Such a shame though, eh? And look at that, it's like old times. People waiting for the bus. Quite a few people about this morning. Work of TS Domestics, a big thumbs up. How awesome is that? Oh, look at that. That alleyway completely cleaned up. Well done, Tunstall. In the old nightclubbing days, Golden Torch, right there. Come on, Tunstall. It doesn't take that much just to put your litter away. We're looking here at Woolstanton School Board all them years ago. Fabulous buildings. The alleyways, a lot cleaner. Things like that spoil Tunstall so much. We do have a shopping trolley at the bottom there. If I'm not too negative, it's a big thumbs up to Tunstall. It's much cleaner. There you go, fabulous clock tower. And Tower Square. This tower was erected by public subscription AD 1893 in the town of his birth in around 86th year of his age in honour of Sir Smith Child Bart. A philanthropist who foremost in every good work by generous gifts and wise sought to brighten the lives of working class, priceless boon to the suffering poor. I'm hungry. I'm going to try out the Tunstall Cafe. Open from 8 AM to 4:30 PM. I'm going to starve. It's cash payment only. They don't accept card. You can do a bank transfer, but don't want to give people my bank details, do I? Going to find somewhere else. I've just been in the market thinking, I'll have a brekkie there. It's cash only. Come on, Tunstall, what's going on? See, at this rate, it's going to be a right pie. Good old Wright's pie saved me. Bacon bap. It's going to be good. After that breakfast stop, let's continue the walk. Going Tunstall, there is history everywhere. Unicorn Pottery, 1890. Alexandra Park, Matalan. I don't know what time that opens. Might have a little wander in. You know what? I forgot there was a Mackey's here. Should have had a Mackey's. That would have been good. Right, I'm going to head to Asda. I love these days where you haven't got a clue what you're doing next. Right, made it to Asda. It always amazes me. Men's stuff, there's about one aisle only. Made it to Matalan, guys. I wonder where's next. Right then, been walking around for about an hour and 40 minutes. Gonna head back to Tunstall Park. Gonna head back up at the side of the doctors. Guy crashed out on the grass up here. Another good place to have a little spin around with a Neo sometime. And we are back in the beautiful park. Guy there smoking weed, I think. Absolutely stinks. So this rock originates from the Lake District, where it was formed 450 million years ago, transported by ice flows, covered the potteries in the last ice age. Ice finally retreated 15,000 years ago. Does that mean we actually had climate change 15,000 years ago? Maybe. Now I wished I brought the Neo. The wind's gone down, nobody around, plenty of room. Could have had so much fun. Well, it's been a while since I've just sat here doing absolutely nothing on a Saturday morning. I did fancy a ice lolly from the Floral Hall. Wonder if they accept cash or card. Let me know in the comments. There's always new places to adventure in. Somewhere I've not been in Tunstall Park. Quite a bit of rubbish around here. Very unusual tree. Look at that, how that's grown up. Time for another sit down, another chill out. Still had no phone call with regards to the MOT. Well, thanks for staying with me. Certainly an adventure. Right, good news. Just got a phone call. Car passed its MOT, had its service, so I'm going to go and pay the bill. Thanks for coming with me. Let's walk around Tunstall Park, just watching the bird mess as I walk through here. And through Tunstall. It's been fun. Give me a big thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next adventure real soon.